our seniors will take their home court as they near the end of their career as a Storm varsity basketball player. Senior night is a cherished tradition in our basketball program where we take a moment to celebrate the hard work, commitment, achievements of our senior athletes. These young men have poured their hearts and souls into the sport, and this night is dedicated to acknowledging their contributions to the team and the basketball community. It is with great pleasure that we bring to you our varsity basketball program in honor of our senior players and their parents. First,
let's go, boys!
Senior number 22, Joseph Bitumbo.
Let's go, Joe!
Joseph is escorted onto the court by Moses and Buda. This is his first year playing Storm basketball. Joseph plans on going into college for informational technology. His advice for future IPS athletes, don't forget to have fun. Congratulations, senior number 22, Joseph Natumbo.
Good job, Joe!
Congratulations, Joseph Natumbo. Next, senior number 24, Dylan Eady.
Let's go, Dylan!
Dylan is escorted onto the court by Kia, DJ, Demetrius, Lexi, and Kathy. This is his first year playing Storm basketball. He only plays basketball. His future plans, I want to play ball and major in either sports journalism or business. His favorite athletic memory at Imagine Prep Surprise is playing at the Willow Canyon Tournament and getting to learn everyone's character on the team. His advice for future IPS athletes is stay focused and don't lose your love for the game. Congratulations, senior Dylan Eady. Next, senior number 12, Rich Rodriguez.
Let's go, Rich!
Rich is escorted onto the court by Amber, by Shane, Rebecca, Isabella, Sally, Najee, and Yazi. This is his second year playing Storm basketball. He only plays basketball. His future plans are to play college basketball and major in sports medicine. His favorite athletic memory at Imagine Prep Surprise is when we won back-to-back state championships. His advice for future IPS athletes is be a dog. Congratulations, senior Rich Rodriguez.
Good job, Rich!
Next, senior number 32, Riley Nolan.
Come on, Riley!
Riley is escorted onto the court by Melissa, Nolan, John, and his entire Nolan family. This is his 7th year playing Storm basketball. His future plans are to either go to ASU or GCU and continuing his education. His favorite athletic memory at Imagine Prep Surprise is winning back-to-back state championships. His advice for future IPS athletes, as the Nolans are still coming in, be a dog. Congratulations, senior number 32, Riley Nolan. Congratulations, senior Riley Nolan. Next, senior number 1, Clay Cunningham.
Wait, put that crown on, dude!
This is his 3rd year playing Storm basketball. He is also a varsity football player, varsity soccer player, varsity wrestling, and he's on student council. His future plans.
There you go, get that crown on
His
there!
favorite athletic memory at Imagine Prep Surprise is the first day I met Coach Luna. His advice for future IPS athletes, it's time to play and it's time to lock in. Find your switch. Congratulations, senior Clay Cunningham.
Good job, Clay!
Next, senior number 55, Kyle Walter. Kyle is escorted onto the court by
Let's go, Kyle!
Cheyenne, his girlfriend, and Elizabeth Cabral. This is his second year playing Storm basketball. He is also a varsity football player, a varsity wrestler, and a varsity track and field star. His future plans are to go into the biomedical field at Arizona State University. His favorite athletic memory, shooting threes. His advice for future IPS athletes, don't fall. Don't fail. I'm sorry, don't fail. Congratulations, senior Kyle Walter.
Hey, Sean, the don't fall is for me.
And lastly, senior number 2, your reigning player of the year, Jalen Cassidy.
Go, Jalen!
Jalen is escorted onto the court by his brother Ian West, his mother Venus, Stuart, Braden Young, and his family. This is his 4th year playing varsity Storm basketball. He's also a varsity football player and a varsity volleyball player. His future plans are to go into business and sports management. His favorite athletic memory, winning back-to-back state titles. His advice for future IPS athletes, be good at the sport you play. Congratulations, senior Jalen Cassidy.
Good job, Storm!
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf